Nestled amidst the scenic landscapes of Madurai in India is TVS Srichakra, makers of TVS Eurogrip tires, a name synonymous with excellence in the tire industry. Part of the $3 billion TVS Mobility Group, TVS Eurogrip is today one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of off-highway tires, and a force to be reckoned with in both national and global markets. The company specializes in two-wheeler and three-wheeler tire segments as well, worldwide. What sets TVS Eurogrip apart is its steadfast dedication to product superiority, relentless pursuit of technological excellence, and a wealth of experience spanning decades in tire manufacturing and marketing. The magic happens at the state-of-the-art plants in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, and Rudapur, Uttarakhand, sprawling over a staggering 300,000 square meters. The new and futuristic off-highway tires facility in Madurai, which is backed by substantial investment and state-of-the-art technology, has the capacity to roll out 34 million tires annually and is poised to meet the surging global demand. The brand's relentless desire to cater to the ever-dynamic needs of customers has resulted in revolutionizing the off-highway segment with a prolific range of tailor-made tires. TVS Eurogrip offers an extensive globally tested and certified portfolio comprising of radial tires as well as specialized tires for every off-highway tire need. The portfolio of tires excels in every segment, from rugged agricultural terrains to demanding construction sites, from vast industrial operations to challenging earth-moving applications. The unwavering commitment to deliver world-class products at low-cost ownership, coupled with reliable services, has brought about long-lasting partnerships and collaborations spanning across continents. These serve as a resounding testament to the brand's trust and reliability. TVS Eurogrip is now available in over 85 countries and has a robust global distribution network of over 380 distributors. The Tech Design Center in Israel serves as a testament to TVS Eurogrip's dedication to incorporating international talent and capabilities, as well as creating products to cater to the emerging needs of global markets, including Europe and North America. At TVS Eurogrip, commitment to quality, innovation, and process precision is paramount, a commitment that continues to garner prestigious awards and certifications. The tires are engineered by adhering to manufacturing practices like TPM, TQM, Lean, Six Sigma, and Zero Defect Initiative. The tires are also meticulously tested as per Indian and international standards and accredited with global certifications to provide quality, safe, and hassle-free performance. The commitment to create a safe and clean environment takes utmost importance. Integration of 75% renewable energy sources and the complete elimination of effluent discharge from the facility are significant milestones in the journey towards sustainability. In a fast-evolving world, there is a growing demand for companies that are catalysts to progress, embracing innovation and technology. TVS Eurogrip, designed globally, manufactured in India, tested and sold worldwide.